If you have finished previous steps, let's delete all of these labels and then we do the next step. Go to the top view and we turn on the objects, lock our background again, and then go to draw this object. You still need to use the least points to draw a more smooth object. 3 points to control a corner, and I can adjust the shape by using these control points. So I just leave it like this. And then I need to draw my top line. Select the control points. So we go to the perspective view. Remember, before you use loft command to create your surface, you need to turn on always record history. Then later we can control the form by using these lines control points. Then we go to use split command because we want to change this line into 2 lines. Split, select cutting object, press enter, and then these lines change to 2 lines. Loft, select 1 by 1. You can choose normal, loose, tight. The best way is we choose normal. Do not simplify. Then click OK. We can adjust our form. And then I do the next one. Go to the top view. Disable your snap bar. 3 points to control a corner. And then we can draw the top line again. Except loft command, you also can use network surface. But in architecture, if you can control your loft command very well, you can resolve the most problems in architecture build. Then we need to split it again. Cutting object, press enter. Go back to perspective view again, and then we use loft command. Repeat the same process. Oops. We need to drag them first. Do you know why I got a very massive surface? What is the reason? Because if you want to use loft command, you have to size them into the same direction. I click loft, choose the same direction and position. Normal. And I can adjust my form. let me have this. If you want to do this skylights, please watch our later tutorials. We can do it in Grasshopper. Okay, this is the end of this project tutorial. Please practice, guys. Thank you for watching.